I wait for the right entry.
So you guys
to
can
present
go
itself.
subscribe to our YouTube channel, and
I wait for the best
we're all
trade
good.
setups. Forex trading is easy to me.
All right,
I
we're live
instantly
now
recognize
on
trading
YouTube, so I
opportunity.
can see it. We're live. So I'm going to share the live link on.
I am not an emotional trader.
I'm going to share the live link now on my Telegram channel.
Losses help me to
right.
become a better trader.
I
I
shared
minimize
the
losses
live link
and
on my
maximize
Telegram
gains.
channel. So you guys can get on Telegram. You get on
I am
Telegram,
consistently
and
in
you're going
profit.
to see it. Okay?
I practice
Get
proper
to the Telegram
risk
channel.
management.
We're live now.
Forex is fun. My judgment and analysis helps me predict the price movement. I trust my analysis. I am a patient trader.
Yes.
My Forex account grows daily. I am grateful. I am grateful I learned to trade.
Instagram that want to join the live stream on YouTube.
I am a
Click the link in my bio,
profitable
you can join
trader.
our Telegram channel. On the Telegram channel, you're going to see the link.
I
to the live
understand the
stream. I've done
market.
that already. I just shared it on our Telegram channel. Let me show you
I
guys
am a
that.
disciplined trader.
Shared it on Telegram.
I patiently wait for the best setups. I trust my trading plan. I consistently catch 2,000 pips a day.
If you want to join the Telegram channel, Telegram link is on my bio.
I am a professional trader.
Okay.
I enter and exit trades when the market tells me to. I study the charts daily.
Okay, let's do
I'm so happy and grateful now. Money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis.
Yes, absolutely. Nothing can stop me. I am all the way up. What's going on, superstars? It's 𝗖𝗄𝗆𝗄𝗏 here again. And I'm super excited to be live with you guys today, the 19th day of April 2024. And we're about doing what we know how to do best, which is all about trading. And we want to see the financial markets today and also the impact of economic activities like the Israelis' attack on Iran today. And if you guys check up the chart, around 3 a.m. Nigerian time, that is 2 a.m. UTC, you figure out that there was an aggressive spike on the market. There was a very aggressive spike on the market today, and I'm going to be showing you guys all of that, and we were going to see why that really happened. Why does that influence the movement of price on markets like XAUUSD? You know, we trade gold a lot in our trading community, and also we're going to look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is less than 24 hours to go for the Bitcoin halving, so we want to see where we're actually going with all of this, and we're going to see what markets that you may want to be investing on after the Bitcoin halving. And after we do that, we're also going to be taking a look at the synthetic indices market, volatility 75. I gave some setups of volatility 75 yesterday, and today we're going to be looking at the reaction of all the setups and the market, where the market is going to this weekend. So I want to get confirmation from everybody joining the live stream. If you all can hear me loud and clear, let's see it on the comments, loud and clear. If you guys can hear me loud and clear, put loud and clear on the comments, right? Put loud and clear on the comments so that I confirm that you guys are in. I'm just going to promote the link again so that we get more people joining the live stream. All right, I'm just going to promote that. Good. Let's get more people on the live stream. If you guys that are on the live on YouTube, if you can all hear me loud and clear, put on the comments loud and clear. All right, let's see it loud and clear. I appreciate you guys. Let's see those who are joining the live stream today. We have on the comments, I'm just going to read through the comments. We have 𝗤𝗏𝗏𝗏 joining the live stream. Where are you guys joining from? Let's know in the comments where you're joining from. I can also see trade with 𝗬𝗲𝗻, right? I can also see Super Sport, right? And I can also see Wisdom Godwin. I can see Samuel Pelumi, 𝗥𝗲𝗰𝗵𝗂𝗏𝗏, and Wisdom Godwin. I've mentioned that before. I can see Moses Achi. Okay, those of you on the Instagram live, let's see where you guys are joining from. Those of you on Instagram live, I can see someone joining from Sagamu, Ogun State. I can also see, let's see where you guys are joining the live stream from. Okay, let's just do this real quick. Okay, big up to everybody. Let's do what we know how to do best. Let's do our business, right? Our business here is trading, and we want to see the best opportunities that we're going to be looking out for. So today we're going to be trading 𝗥𝗲𝗄𝗄𝗃 on this live stream, and I'm going to be giving you guys a breakdown of Bitcoin. And also we're going to look at the synthetic indices market, where we'll be talking about volatility 75, volatility 25-1S, and volatility 25. I've seen a massive dump on the market on volatility 25 today, and we're going to be sharing that. You guys are going to learn a whole lot today. So it's going to be some quality 30 minutes to 35 minutes. I'm going to go more than 40 minutes on this live stream. It's going to be some quality time here. You're going to be getting unfiltered information. When I mean unfiltered, you know this live stream is not edited. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how everything truly works. So welcome again, superstars. Let's dive in to do what we know how to do best. Let's chat on the chat. Right? Let's trade. So if you're new to this channel, this is actually a new channel that we launched this month, April, or towards the ending of March. And we currently have 485 subscribers on this YouTube channel. The channel is simply dedicated to live sessions, trading sessions. So if you're joining new, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of our live streaming on this channel. So for those of you on Instagram, it is Freedom Trade House Live. Freedom Trade House Live. You can type that in your YouTube and you're going to see this channel. Please subscribe to the channel. We have a goal to hit 2,000 subscribers. On our official Freedom Trade House channel on YouTube, we have about 46.8 subscribers right now. And we're about hitting the 50,000 mark, 50,000 subscribers mark. And that is a big one. So we're actually starting up this channel so that we can dedicate all our live trading, all the live videos or live training and education, all of those things, we can dedicate it for this particular channel. So you're all welcome. Thank you for subscribing. I can see people joining the live stream from Zambia, Benin Republic. I can see someone joining from Mina, Niger State. I can see someone joining from DRC. Where are you guys joining from? As you're coming to the live stream, please put in the comments your name and where you're all joining from. So guys, let's start off with what happened on the market today with the incidents of the Israel and Iran, the Israel launch, when you understand the launch of attack or strikes on Iran today. So we're just going to look at from CNN News. We see that Israel actually launches a strike on Iran today. You can see the officials actually making a lot of claims on that. And also, if you go to Bloomberg, you're going to see an update on that particular news. And the effect of this is we tend to see a lot of volatility in the market. I'm going to show you guys what happened on 𝗥𝗲𝗄𝗄𝗃. Let's go over to 𝗥𝗲𝗄𝗃 right now. We're taking a look at 𝗥𝗲𝗄𝗃 on Exness trading terminal. By the way, if you guys are not trading with Exness, that is the best Forex broker in the world right now. Okay, you want to check the description of this video. You're going to get a link to sign up with Exness, my Exness link. My partner link on Exness. You sign up, and after you sign up, you fund your account. As soon as you fund your account, you send my team a message, and we're going to plug you into our Forex trading room for free. That is only for those who are on this live stream now. If you can give me proof that you're on this live stream, then you sign up with Exness and you fund your account. You send me a message, and we're going to plug you into our Exness signal room where we trade Forex, 𝗥𝗲𝗄𝗄𝗃, US oil, and GBP USD. So with all that, we're good to go. Now, take a look at the market on the 30 minutes chart. You guys are going to see the spike that actually happened in the market a moment ago. Take a look. Let's see. You can see earlier today, this was exactly 12:30 a.m. The time zone for here is UTC. So in Nigeria time, that is exactly 1:30 a.m. Nigeria time today. We actually had the beginning of the spike, and exactly by 2 a.m., exactly by 2 a.m., we had a massive bull run. And take a look at this. This actually did a swing of 390 pips on XAUUSD. We had 390 pips. I call it 390 godly pips. 390 pips on XAUUSD in 1 hour. In less than 1 hour, because the market actually retraced on this particular point. But if you pick the movement from the previous candle, you could have been bagging about 430 pips. But that's not the main move. The main move is 390 pips. And the thing about this market is, after price gives such kind of moves, there's always going to be a retracement. Guys, take note of this. Whenever there is something so sudden, a sudden reaction in price, especially when trading XAUUSD, whenever there is a sudden reaction in price, there's always going to be an aggressive reversal. Take note of that. Take note. After an aggressive pump comes an aggressive dump. That is how it happens. So for example, if you didn't catch this move, right? If you didn't catch this move from the bottom here, if you didn't catch it, you are most likely going to be catching the move from the top. That is the reversal from up here, down here. But unfortunately, a lot of us were asleep. Like myself, I was actually enjoying, my time in my dreamland by that time because I needed to rest. But after that, you can see reaction. So there's going to be more reaction in the charts today. And the thing is, we may not expect it to be very, very great because today is Friday. So if it was something that happened on Wednesday or something that happened on Tuesday or Thursday, then we'll be expecting something more from the market. We'll be expecting something more. And what is it we have here? Let's see. A thorough analysis of the market. I'm going to be leaving the Exness platform and go on to my trading view so that we all can see what is actually going on from the trading view, the plain trading view perspective, because I want you guys to understand how these things relate. Now, our interest, please take note. Please take note. Everybody on the live stream. Our interest as traders is not to go about trying to solve the economic problem of those economies that are causing some volatility in the market. Our interest is not that. Our interest is figuring out the impact of such news, of such events on the financial market so that we can take advantage of the volatility that it brings. If we can take advantage of the volatility well enough, we're most likely going to be making the profit we ought to make in a month. We could make it in 1 day. And that is the thing, with adequate risk management, of course. So if you understand where this thing could take us to, and you leverage on it and you get in right on time, I tell you, you're going to make so much profit. For those of you trading proprietary firm accounts, that is those prop firms that allow trading of news and volatilities and all of that, you see that you will hit a lot of goals within a shorter time, right? You will hit a lot of goals within a shorter time. Okay, so that is the thing, guys. So you want to learn about this, and this is what makes it different between the real market and synthetic indices market. You guys know I trade volatility indices on the Deriv platform a lot. Now, the thing about volatility indices is no news effect. There is no fundamentals. Nothing affects it besides the regular movement of price in respect to the algorithm of demand and supply as the instruments actually designed. So that's another thing you need to check. We're going to go to volatility indices at the end of this, towards the end of this live stream, but I want to show you guys something else in this. Now, take a look at the chart very clearly. You're going to see that we have the spike here on XAUUSD taking place from this point up to this point, and price started reversing. Now, let's look at this to see if we can put in some data on the charts, like to see if we have an adequate breakout that could lead to price going down today. Or is price going to rally back up to the top side? That's another question. You can see I just connected the trend line with ease. This is another tool that everyone needs to know how to use. The trend line. For those of you on the live stream, put trend line on the comments. If you're following, put trend line on the comments. If you guys are following, please put trend line on the comments. Put trend line on the comments. I want to confirm you all can hear me loud and clear. Somebody's saying louder, please, right? I want to confirm you all can hear. Let me just increase my microphone a bit. Okay, I'm gonna just increase the microphone a bit. All right, please confirm you can hear me better now. Can you all hear me better? If you can hear me better, let's see trend line on the comments. If you can hear better, let's see trend line on the comments. I think that should be much better now. If you guys can hear me better, let's see trend line. All right, trend line. The trend line is an important tool for trading. The trend line is an important, very important, not just important. It's a very important tool for trading. So when you are trading, you want to go to time frames like 30 minutes, 15 minutes. That is for day traders. If you know you're a day trader, please pay attention to this. 30 minutes, 15 minutes, try to connect the trend line. And another thing you want to do is you want to, on that same time frame, try to identify demand and supply zones on that chart. So if you can identify it, then you're good to go. You're most likely going to know the particular areas in the market that price reversal is going to take place. And that is why we use demand and supply zones when we're doing our analysis. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to actually achieve that. So around here, we can see there's been several rejections. And that's why you see when price attempted to break that trend line, it still went back up. So there's going to be several reactions here. If price does not hold up well enough, we're most likely going to be getting a pump on XAUUSD. We're going to be getting price come back up and attempt this high that is hit towards the early hours of today. Take a look at it. I'm showing you guys my chart. For those of you on Instagram, you can as well be on the YouTube live so that you can see what I am doing. So this can well enough give us a buy opportunity on XAUUSD because of the reaction on this demand zone. So we could be looking at for a pump. And for those of you who can see the trend line has actually broken. So for those of you up here with me, we could just catch a few pips on this market, right? We could catch a few pips. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. I want to confirm something. Now, if you're trading XAUUSD, right? If you're trading XAUUSD, so some of you say you can see what I'm doing. Let me quickly show you guys the chart. All right, for those of you on Instagram. So if you're trading XAUUSD, you want to actually pay attention to time frames like the 5 minutes chart for your entries. 5 minutes, 3 minutes chart for entries, for entry confirmations. That is what I mean. For entry confirmations. For those of you on the live stream, you can see we're having a bull run, a quick bull run on XAUUSD, and that will be taking us to a potential place of take profit up here. So we're looking at a take profit around this zone here. So a take profit on XAUUSD should be at about, let me get the price, 23.91. 23.91. All right, 23.91. The reason why we had that, we can see very clearly the price broke out of this trend that was taking it down. However, it's not guaranteed that price is always going to get to your take profit. What you want to do is be attentive towards your trades, be attentive towards your trade so that you don't get to the river and come back from the river without water. I always give that rule. As a trader, don't get to the river and come back from the river without water. No, you don't want to do that. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. And the reason why we have this pump ongoing on XAUUSD is because price did not successfully break this trend line. Now I tell you this, whatever takes price back down into this particular zone is mostly going to break the trend line and also break this demand zone. And that will be giving us an adequate reaction for price to hit a new level of demand, which is around here, just right here. Price is going to be anticipating this. Then if we have a well enough volatility or a well enough reaction, then price could dip to this point today. That's possible. Otherwise, we're going to be having the bull run from here up to this point and also retest the high of today. You know, this is the high of today. This is the highest point price I've actually reached. So we're going to be getting price trying to attempt that particular high again. So remember, you just need to follow. The market leads. All you need to do is to follow. Please take note. The market leads. I want you guys to note this, right? The market leads. What you do as a trader is follow. You don't lead the market. Don't even try it. Don't try to lead the market. If you try to lead the market, you're going to lose a lot. You're going to lose a whole lot of money. So you want to position yourself to be able to identify where the market is going, then you follow suit. Identify where it is going, and then you follow suit. with these guys, we're going to be diving into Bitcoin, and we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin halving. If you guys are enjoying this live stream, let's see some 555 on the comments, guys. Let's see 555 on the comments. Let's go, superstars. All right, welcome superstars. It is 𝗤𝗏𝗄𝗏 here again, and I'm streaming live on Freedom Trade House live channel on YouTube. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to smash the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you'll be notified whenever we come live on this channel again. Now, our objective here is to have a live market watch of the charts and also identify trading opportunities live. And also, the main point, share unfiltered information with the trading community. All right, so you guys are actually welcome to this live channel one more time. Also, those of you on Instagram, you can search for the channel on YouTube, Freedom Trade House Live. Right, if you search for Freedom Trade House Live, you're going to see us right there on YouTube. And this is how we roll. This is how we do what we know how to do best. We just want to help a lot of people go all the way up. Remember, nothing can stop you. You're all the way up. So let's go over to the chart right now. And we really want to look at the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving. That is what we want to do. We want to look at Bitcoin halving and what is the potential effect of Bitcoin halving on the market. Now, we have less than 24 hours for that to happen. The halving is going to take place on the 20th of April. The 20th of April, that is when the halving is going to take place. So the question now is, what is Bitcoin halving? Oh, God, hey, I'm on the internet, I'm hearing Bitcoin halving here and there. I'm just going to put that in. I'm just going to put that on the screen so that you guys can see Bitcoin halving. What is it all about? You know, they actually talk about this being some kind of activities that helps Bitcoin to stay within supply, to make sure that its supply remains limited, since there's only going to be 21 million BTCs. So in order for us to keep up with a particular, for us to keep up with the supply of Bitcoin, not to exceed that number, what they do is simply break it down and break down the shares that the Bitcoin miners actually get. They have it every 4 hours. The first Bitcoin halving took place in 2012, and the second Bitcoin halving took place 4 years later, 2012, 2018, 2016. The next one took place in 2020, and now we are here. The next is taking place right about now. Okay, what it means. So we're just going to look at it real quick. Let's get on Google, and I'm going to show you guys something real quick. So let me show you my screen now. Let's see my screen. So you're going to ask, hey, what is Bitcoin halving? Say this is when the reward for Bitcoin mining is cut in half to reduce the amount of coins in circulation. To reduce the amount of coins in circulation. Remember, we say circulating supply of Bitcoin. Let's go to CoinMarketCap so that I will show you guys that on CoinMarketCap. Let me show you. The circulating supply of Bitcoin is currently 19686,975 BTC. Please take note of the numbers. 19686,975. That is 19,686,975 Bitcoin. And remember, I said that the maximum supply of Bitcoin that's going to be available is 21,000. So it's literally getting to 21 million. It's literally getting to 21 million, and there is need for halving. There is need for halving, because if we don't do that, the Bitcoin mining industry, they're going to exceed that particular quantity that we talked about for the supply. So there's going to be a halving of Bitcoin. And when this happens, according to historical data, right, there's first of all going to be a downtrend. And after that, price is going to skyrocket. Bitcoin halving helps Bitcoin to attain new highs. Price has actually given us the all-time high of about $74,000. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart really quick. Price has given us an all-time high of about $74,000. Let's look at it here. Okay, $73.7 thousand, and it has done that already today. So that simply means you see this reaction of price around here. Can you guys see it? You see this reaction of price, the reaction of Bitcoin around here. I want you guys on Instagram to also see this. Let me show you what we're doing. You see the reaction, right? You see the reaction. Price actually came down to a demand zone around here. It actually hit 59,500 early hours of today. Take a look at this number, 59,700. It hit 59,700 early hours of today, and immediately an aggressive pump back to the top side. And it has actually established a thorough breakout. Look at a thorough breakout of the downward pull. A thorough breakout of the downward pull. So we're anticipating price coming back up. And this has actually happened just a few hours away from the Bitcoin halving. So we're going to be looking at this reaction, and I'm telling you guys, with this is happening, there's a high potential for Bitcoin to go over the moon. It's going to go overboard, right? It's going to go over this particular zone, and we're going to be looking out for new highs. And guys, $100,000 for a Bitcoin is right in view. It's right in view, guys. It's right in view. Bitcoin is in a strong uptrend, right? It's in a strong uptrend. This was when Bitcoin was about $15,000 in 2022. 2022 running into 2023, Bitcoin was less than $20,000. And a lot of people didn't really want to buy then, right? Now you can see it's come up here, and some people want to start buying, all right? My advice is, if you hold some Bitcoin, give it a long term. Give it a long term, and it's going to give you more rewards and something like that. So we're looking at the Bitcoin halving to take place sometime tomorrow. And after that, we're next. We're next after tomorrow. Bitcoin is currently 65,267. Now, do you have any crypto in possession? Let me ask you guys, those of you on this live stream now, do you have any crypto in your possession? How many of you own some coins? How many of you own some coins? For those of you on Instagram, those of you on YouTube, how many of you own coins? Do you have any coins in your possession? Now, when you're trading Forex and you're pretty well making profit and all of that, please don't forget to have a portion or a percentage of your money or the profits that you've made invested in the cryptocurrency market. Yeah, you could as well make a lot of profits right there. Don't forget to invest in the cryptocurrency market. So there's an app that I'm going to unveil to you guys. I use the app here on my device. I'm going to unveil it to you guys. I'm going to share my link to you. The app helps you to know what coins to invest in, right? What coins to buy per time. And these are not short-term or day trading opportunities to buy coins and stuff. No, it's for long term. You buy for 60 days, 90 days, you look for a month, you look for a year. You just hold up those coins and you're going to be making significant profits, 5x, 10x, 20x, times 30x, even 50x is pretty possible. All right, so I'm going to be recommending an app for you guys that you can go and download on the App Store, that is for iPhone users, and also on Google Store, that is Play Store for Android users. You guys download it. It's going to be giving you notice. So I'm going to send the link later on my Telegram channel so you guys can actually get started. So guys, okay, I can see on the comments a few of you invest in cryptocurrency. Yes, that is a smart thing to do. All right, that is a smart thing to do. I want you to know that in trading, not every day is a profitable day. Please take note. Not every day is a profitable day. Those who become great at trading are those who realize this fact and they prepare for the unprepared. Just like in the book, The Psychology of Money, you know, I've been reading this book and I've been showing you guys a lot of things on my page with respect to this book. There's a chapter that actually talks about planning for your plan not to go according to plan, right? So in all of this, you need to have a contingency plan. In all of this, you need to have a plan in case your plan doesn't work, in case your plan doesn't go according to plan. So all of these things help you to actually stand out. And regardless of whatever is happening in the economy, you are still meeting up. You're still going all the way up. You're still getting those goals. You're still smashing those goals, still buying the cars, still building the houses, living your best life, traveling around the world, doing all these things. It is all about smart investments. Everybody put on the comments, investments. If you're following, put on the comments, investments. What can actually help you stand out when others are complaining and weeping and crying and wailing? What can help you stand out is your ability to take smart decisions and make smart investments. And the decisions that we make and the investments that we get into are simply influenced by the quality of information that we're exposed to. And that is why you, as a technology user, a smartphone user, those of you using the internet today, please be careful of what you consume on the internet. You want to take your time to consume information that is going to help you make more money, stay healthy. These are two important parts of life. Make more money. That is everything. The reason why we go out making new relationships, connecting with people and everything, money is the goal. Because when you have money, you can live your best life. So when you're checking up some pages or information you're putting into your system, make sure you focus on information that can help you make more money and also help you stay healthy, because health is wealth. You don't want to have money and you're sick. No, you don't want to do that. You ain't going to enjoy it. You're making money from some other thing. In Nigeria, they say, baboon they walk. Is the elephant that walk, baboon they chop, or something like that. Right? Those are part of things that you got to look out for. All right. So while you're trying to look for money, while you're trying to make money and, you know, making $1 million, making $10,000 a month, making $5,000 a month, $1,000 a month, $50,000 a month, $100,000 a month, $1 million, or thereabout, when you're compounding all of this finance together, how is your health? Pay attention to your health. It is very important. The reason why I'm saying it to you guys is because I've actually been, for the first time in my life, number one, I've invested in my health pretty well. And for the first time in my life, I'm about 2 years without any ailment, without being sick. For the first time in my life, about 2 years, not taking drug for anything. So whenever I'm having a slight headache or anything is happening, I study myself and like, okay, this is what is happening. Go take a rest. This is what is happening. Go eat chicken, right? Go take some protein and rest. Take a lot of water, all these things. So this is some other topic. I'm going to give you guys some health tips on some other live session that I'm going to come in. But for now, let's just focus on this. The relationships that you're building should help you to learn how to make more money. All right? That is one of the things that's going to help you stand out. That is what's going to really help you stand out. So guys, make sure you make smart decisions. Let your smart decisions lead you to making smart investments, and also connect yourself with the right people so that you can get the right information that is going to influence your bank account positively. It is very important. So we're looking at this happening on Bitcoin now, and just a few hours to go, we're going to be having the halving, and you guys are going to see how the effect actually takes place. Let's go to the BTC chart. So for those of you holding buys on Bitcoin right now from this point to this, we're looking at Bitcoin coming back up to around 70,000. There's a trend line right there at around, okay, 68 or 69,000. right? Price could get there, and we're going to be getting a reaction, taking price down. Okay, guys, there are more pieces of information I want to share with you guys on Bitcoin, on crypto, but time wouldn't permit us. It won't permit me particularly, so we're going to be doing that on some other thing, on some other time. Let's look at XAUUSD. I gave a signal on XAUUSD. I gave a signal on XAUUSD already. Let's look at it on the 30 minutes chart. I told you guys that we're going to be buying XAUSD. Where's my phone so that I can take my, okay. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You see, I told you all on this live stream that we're going to be buying XAUSD. Can you guys see it? How many of you are holding buys on XAUSD already? XAUSD is going up. You see the breakout? I showed you guys in 30 minutes time frame. From when we started this live stream, I showed you guys that. Now we're looking for a potential take profit at 2391. 2391.0. We're looking for a potential take profit there. And remember, stay in position to scalp your profit. It's very important. XAUSD is one of the markets that goes up and the next minute it's down. So you want to stay in position, move your stop loss to break even, manage your trades pretty well so that you can go. Okay, congratulations, 𝗤𝗏𝗄𝗏𝗏. I can see 𝗤𝗏𝗄𝗏𝗏 is actually taking the trade setup with us. A big congratulations to you. And let's also look at the next market that we want to trade now. It is the volatility indices market. If you guys are excited about this and you're ready to get information with respect to volatility indices market today, put on the comments ATWU. All right, you guys are all welcome. Nothing can stop me. I am all the way up, and that is how we roll. That is how we roll in here. So look at this. I want to start off with this particular conversation on volatility indices. I really want to start it up on volatility 25 index. The market's been in some strong downward movement. I want you guys to see it. Those of you that are streaming with us on Instagram, I want you guys to see it, and that's why I'm doing this. Okay, I want you all to see it. So take a look at the market. It's been in some strong downward movement. Volatility 25. Now you can trade any instrument, any volatility index. The price action strategy works for it. Your keys strategy works for it. All you just need to know how to do is to get in on time, know how to position yourself right in there on time, and learn patience. Everybody put on the comments, patience. Number one, you got to be patient for price to come into the position where you're going to make profit. And number two, you're going to be patient for price to take profit. You get to your take profit levels. Patience, especially patience for the right setup. All right, patience for the right setup is very, very important. Very important. So right now on the daily time frame on volatility, this is volatility 25. We're looking at some reactive zones. The market's already on the move, so I'm not going to be saying so much about it. I'm just going to be giving you a little of my strategy on the dump. So price broke out of a trend line here, and after it broke out of the trend line, it gave us a reaction back into an order block. You can see there's an engulfing candlestick pattern here. It came back to retest the order block on this particular day. The next day it tried as well, and the rejection started. So for those who take swing trades, if you wanted to execute your position on this particular time frame, which is the daily time frame, this is what would be required of you. A risk of 4 pips on volatility 25, and price is about 16 pips on volatility 25. You see the market actually moves slow, not like slow. The calculation of pips is in its minimal fractions, and that is why it appears like this. So one of the reasons why I don't really trade it is because of the pips calculation and all of that. If I want to give you a short-term signal, but then guys take 1/10 of a pip or something like that. So we're going to do that like that way. So this is a potential setup, and let's look at another market that we could be getting something to hold on to. This is volatility 251S, and right after volatility 251S, we have volatility 75. Let me show you volatility 75 on the daily time frame, and after that we'll get back to see tradable opportunities for those of you who are day traders in here. So this is volatility 75 index. No, this is 251S, and I remember very well while I was trading with my VIPs in the trading room for synthetic indices, we were actually looking out for a swing position on this market a couple of days ago, over 15 days ago. And take a look at this. This is it. We're looking for a swing position here. Let me okay, that's not it. Look at it. This is the analysis of the market from the bottom here. From the bottom, let's go up. I'm going to show you how price broke out of the trend from here. And after it broke out, we're looking for a sell opportunity here. Here, this was the day we got in. And this was on 27th of March. We took a sell here. We placed our stop loss just here because we're anticipating this is a structure on its own. Now, I want you guys to see what the market could actually do. Let me expand this. I want you to see what the market can truly do. Let me show you. This was the structure. This was the structure here, right? And price was supposed to continue with the curve, with a breakout that has taken place and go downwards. But see what happened. This candle went up and it didn't even close as a bull on that day. It had a lot of rejection. And that was to tell you, hey, this market knows you know it's going to go down, but we don't want it easy for you. Please put it not easy on the comment. Everybody put not easy. The market don't want you to take it so easy. Life doesn't just want everything to be easy for you. That's one of the things you need to know. You need to understand that it's not going to come easy. Therefore, you need to prepare for difficulties. You need to do what? Prepare for difficulties. And that is how it is. So price rallied to this top side and came back into the zone here and hit the same resistance level. Let me show you. It hit the same resistance level right here, and immediately it rejected and started going down. It started going down and boom, boom, boom. Now, this is a market that we're actually looking for swing position from here. And price has currently gone about 23 days. In fact, we're looking for a take profit one here. Let me show you guys. A TP one here, a take profit two here. Let me show you take profit two, a take profit two here. I just want to give you guys an insight about swing trading. A take profit two here. And the final take profit, yeah, we're looking at, hey, if price is ever going to achieve this, you could be holding this trade setup for the next 4 months. You'll be holding it for the next 4 months. Now, look at all those levels that I shared with you. Price already has stayed between here and here. It has stayed in this zone for 23 days. And that is a range of 2,500 pips. Price has only stayed within a range of 2,500 pips for 23 days. So before you say you want to be a swing trader, it's important that you understand what it entails, all right? And you also know the kind of markets that you should be looking for. This same market that gave us 23 days price staying within a range of 2,500 pips on volatility 251S. The same market gave a surge of, look at this, let's see exactly 23 days. Let me look at what happened in exactly 23 days. The market gave a surge of about 8,000 pips. About 8,000 pips in 23 days. Let's take 23 days level. Let me see. 23 days. Okay, in 23 days we had 4,800, almost 5,000. But the market continued. This is how many it gave us. In 50 days, price did 15,000 pips. 15,000 pips in 50 days. So that simply means most times when you take your setup, when you just execute it, especially as a swing trader, price is not going to give you that aggressive move that you're looking for almost immediately. But if you hold on your position and you're willing to hold, truly hold, this was 50 days move, 15,000 pips. 50 days is less than 2 months, right? It's less than 2 months. All right. So you need to now know how to, okay, this is my decision on this market. I'm entering here and I'm willing to hold. And for you to achieve swing positions, you need to make the decision and also have a different account that you use for swing trading, as well as you have a different account for day trading. Now for day trading, all of us taking day trading positions, we can see on the daily time frame here on volatility 25-1S, price has currently been giving us a contraction. It has been stuck inside of the zone, giving us minimal swings with a range of about 1,200 pips. You know, it's been stuck there. So anyone who's looking for positions in this particular market, you just know that you're looking to catch 500 pips or 400 pips, maximum 1,000 pip swing, because price is most likely going to give us a reversal right after that. Let's go to volatility 75 index. Volatility 75, daily time frame. The market has been contracting and everybody trading it has been anticipating a buy reaction or a buy opportunity on the market from this particular point. But just like I said, it's not going to be easy. It doesn't make it easy for nobody. So whenever you want to take a position when you're trading, you want to ask yourself, what if it doesn't go my way? Everybody put on the comments. What if it doesn't go my way? What is the percentage of it not going my way? So if it doesn't, then this is what's going to happen. Then this is what I'm going to do. All right. So it's very important you guys take note of that. What if it doesn't go your way? And that is why we always trade Forex with a risk management. We always trade with a stop loss. We trade with a stop loss because the market can just go crazy, can go gaga, and the next minute, boom. All right. It goes against you. And after going against you, finally goes your direction. So you don't want the market to blow your account up. And at the end, you don't have money to actually take another opportunity. In this book, in the book that I'm reading, let me show you guys this. In the book that I've been reading, it talks about, I'm going to show you guys this. If you've not read this, I recommend you guys take your time to read it. There's a part that talks about room for error. Room for error, yeah. A part talks about room for error. So you need to always give room. You need to always give room. The most important part of every plan is planning on your plan, not going according to plan. I talked about that earlier today. The most important plan of a plan is planning on your plan, not going according to plan. Room for error. You got to give room for error. As an investor, while making up your plan and you're putting up all those things, give room, have a stop loss, identify where you stop if the market doesn't go according to plan, identify your next move if the market doesn't go according to plan. That is what you need to do. That is what makes you a great trader. Now, what happened on volatility 75 yesterday? Yesterday, we were looking for a buy opportunity in this block here and also here. But price broke two of them in the same 4-hour candle. And this is what happened. In fact, we had all indications that price was going to buy. But what happened? On that same session of the 4 hours, let me show you guys on the screen, please. On the same 4-hour session, it didn't. It had to use up the 4-hour candle. And after it did that, we had a bullish harami pattern created here. And price, this is an inside bar, of course. The next 4-hour candle, immediately we had the aggressive pump. On the next 4 hours, this was about 9 p.m. Nigeria time yesterday, 8 p.m. UTC, right? So we had this, immediately it reversed, and a bunch of you guys actually caught it. There was a reactive zone here. We were anticipating all of this support level, but they were weak. So there were weak support zones. So why did price react here? If you take a look at the chart very, very closely, you would see something that price actually went into an order block. Everybody put on the comments, order block. There was an order block right here. You can see the engulfing candlestick pattern here. Boom. That is a strong support zone. That is a strong zone for demand. Price got in there and immediately there was the aggressive pump to the top side. So these are things you got to take note of. Number one, whenever you're trading as a day trader, rule for day trading. These are part of the lessons that was learned from the experience yesterday. Rules for day trading. Start your analysis from H4 if you want to be a day trader. Put on the comments, guys. I think I'm going to stop showing you guys this on Instagram. Start your analysis from H4. Start your analysis from H4. Do your analysis on the H4 time frame. Number one, start your analysis on H4. Number two, identify the candlestick patterns on that H4 so that you can figure out the areas of rejection that we have in the market. It's very important you do this. I'm giving you guys premium information. Like I said, it's unfiltered. The H4 time frame for day trading. If you're a day trader, you start from H4 downwards. H4 down to 1 hour, down to 30 minutes. Find trading opportunities for entries from 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute time frame. Boom, you're in. 1 minute best for scalping if you want to go in and out. 5 minutes day trading. And that is the thing. So you look for these opportunities. This way you're going to be increasing your chances of getting it right. What we're looking at for trading is increase your chances of getting it right. And that is why you need to put a lot of conferences together. Why should you buy and why should you sell? It's all about increasing your chances to get it right. Trading is a game of probabilities, not certainties. No certainties, guys. Not certainty. Everybody put on a comment. Not certainty. It's probability. Probability. Put probability on the comments. What is the probability that is going to go your way? Is it 80%? Is it 20%? Is it 70%? We're always looking for the probability for price to go in our way. And that is how it goes, guys. So if you want to get it right, you need to have this mindset so that you can actually go in there, execute, and you are good to go. So somebody's also asking, what if you want to go for swing? What if you want to do swing trading? If you want to do swing trading, daily time frame, beautiful. Weekly time frame, you use that to identify strong support and resistance zones in the market. Weekly time frame, strong support resistance zone in the market. Just like what the charts does for us on the 4-hour time frame for day trading. Weekly time frame does a similar thing. Weekly time frame, monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, I just think is too much. But you see the weekly time frame, you use it to identify strong support and resistance. Then you take your entries from 15 minutes time frame upwards, something like that. All right. So guys, that is just something I wanted to show us. Now look at this zone. This is where I'm going to be leaving us for today. If you guys have been getting a lot of information on this session, put some 555 on the comments. Let's see some 555. It shows some appreciation. 555. Let's look at this. There's something I figured out here. I'm not going to show you guys all. Let me tell you, some of you think I am coming on YouTube and I'm showing you guys everything that I know about trading or that. No, I've not released all my powers yet. No, the one you're just seeing is just one amongst many. I have the 𝗵𝗿𝗁𝗂𝗂𝗃. I have the 𝗂𝗶𝗁𝗂𝗃. I have the 𝗂𝗶𝗁𝗂𝗃. For those of you who learn, I have the 𝗬𝗵𝗂𝗃. I have all of those powers. You know, I have all of those strategies. I have all of them. But I'm only showing you one amongst many. Okay, I'm just showing you one amongst many that you can actually use. I'm showing you a few powers. You understand? So, but I know this year I'm about to release my powers. Whether I'm releasing it or I am releasing it, I'm about to release my powers. And when I release it, the Nigerian government will know. Because we're going to be creating a revolution. You know, the school system is not going to be holding us back anymore. This morning I was on a call and I was speaking with someone, and we're actually talking about a school here, my alma mater. I'm on live stream. I want everybody to see it. I'm on live stream on YouTube. This is my YouTube channel. If you're not fine with it, you take a walk. All right, I'm on live stream. So we're talking about my alma mater, and that is the university I came out from in Abia State. And the school has actually been suspended for a couple of days, a couple of months. This is the third month right now. And students are not going to school because what happened was they were writing exams, and students who had not paid their school fees were not allowed to write the exams. That is just it. Students who had not paid their school fees were not allowed to write the exams. I'm just going to take a moment to fix my camera. Now I'm going to come back for this. Okay. All right. I'm right back. Okay, guys, I'm right back. I just had to do that. If you guys can hear me loud and clear. So those of you who know the university, you already know, right? So I'm like, why would students, why would you, I was like, why would that be happening? Why would that be happening? If you guys can hear me loud and clear, let's go. Right? Why would that be happening? Why would that be happening? Why would that be happening? If you guys can hear me, let's see 555 on the comments. How would a university, because the students couldn't pay their school fees, before the examination, you didn't allow them to write. And the people who had just paid their school fees yesterday, on the database, it has not reflected that they've paid. So there was no proof already. They couldn't get a receipt and all of that. And because of that, what happened? Everybody, the school said, don't allow. And the student got angry and they rioted. And they started destroying school properties. They started destroying properties because they were angry. You were messing with the people's lives. All right? Other schools, they will allow you write all the exams, but when you want to do clearance, you're going to pay off, and you're going to pay some extra charges for late payment. And that is the thing. So because of this, the students rioted and they spoiled some of the school properties. The next thing, the vice chancellor was everybody go home. Security, police, everything all over there. It's almost 3 months now. And these students were supposed to have written their exams, first semester exam, and go in for the second semester. They're supposed to be preparing for second semester exam right now. You're supposed to be preparing for that. But now everybody's just going to go home, and everybody's just waiting in their house. No notice. There's no one is even giving them anything that, hey, school is going to resume next month or something like that. Now, if such kind of thing is happening and you know about Forex trading, most people have quit. Most people have stopped. They've even dropped out from the university already. They've dropped out from school already because of an incident like this, because you don't have plans for their future. It's really bad. It's really bad. So what brought me here is, as I was going to release some powers, when I release these powers, you see, most of these are young ones who the school systems have actually messed up in Nigeria. It's not really favorable. A lot of people are really going to be reconsidering, and rather they would just want to, let's make some money. When we make enough money, we take some online courses to enhance our educational level, some professional courses in the internet. The sweet thing is, from the comfort of your home, you could actually attend Harvard University, take some course on Harvard University platform. How many of you guys know that? If you know that, put on the comment. You could actually take some professional courses. It's all about your money. So the truth is, if you have money, you can do a whole lot. So talking about my powers, right? I'm going to be unveiling them one after the other. So guys, it is past 2 p.m. already. This is 12 minutes past 2 p.m. And it's really been some exciting session with us today on this live stream. If you guys really enjoyed it, let's see some 555 again on the comment. If you enjoyed it, if you enjoyed the live stream like this, you walk through everything with us and you're happy to be on sessions like this, let's see some 555 on the comment. Guys, we're going to be coming back again. I may even come up live again tomorrow or something. Let's just trade and see some opportunities. Now, if you've not joined our Telegram channel, click the link on my bio on Instagram. You can join us on Telegram through there. I'm going to be sharing the signal for today there on our own Telegram channel. Okay, and those of you on YouTube, please subscribe to this channel. Share this live stream channel with your friends. Let's take this channel to 2,000 followers or 2,000 subscribers this month. We're currently at 500. We're currently at 500 now. Please, let's take it. It's up to us. If you're getting value from Freedom Trade House, please just do well. It's free. Invite one friend. If 500 of us can invite one friend to subscribe to Freedom Trade House live channel, what happens? We will hit 1,000. And if the whole 1,000 can invite just one person, you don't even need them. Just collect their device, their phone or something. Just seek their consent. Hey, subscribe to this channel. You will learn a whole lot. Boom, they are in and we just go. We hit our goal. So let's do what we need to do to go all the way up. Always remember, guys, nothing can stop you. You're all the way up. Remember, nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up as well. So guys, take note. You are fully responsible for your outcomes in life. Not village people, not external forces, not any other person, no anything. You are fully responsible for your outcomes in life. And what influences who you become in the next 6 months, in the next 4 months, in the next 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years from now, it's these 3 things. Number 1, who you follow. On your social media, what are the things you surround yourself with? Who are the people you follow? Right? Who are the people you follow? Number 2 is, who do you listen to? What are the conversations? What are the things you read? What information do you feed yourself with? I talked about the power of information. There's a lot of information on the internet. It's up to you to decide which of them you want to feed yourself with. You need to filter off the shafts and then stick to the quality information that's going to help influence your money, life, that is your finances, and also your health. So who do you listen to? What are the books you read? What are the videos you watch? What do you watch on social media? And finally, the conversations you engage in. When you're at a table with your friends, what are the things you guys talk about? These are basic things that influence who you become on the subconscious level. And some of you are asking on the chat if I'm going to send a signal. Yes, please stay tuned on our Telegram channel. And starting off from today or possibly next week as well, we're going to be sending signals on both XAUUSD and also signals on volatility indices as we've actually been doing it. Let's stay tuned, guys. Remember, we're going all the way up. In a summary, things that influence you, the people you follow, things you listen to or the people you listen to, and finally, the conversations you involve yourself in. I want to say thank you guys for joining me on this live stream. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notification and invite one person to subscribe to this channel. We're going all the way up and absolutely nothing can stop us. If you're excited about this, let's see some ATWU on the comments. Nothing can stop me. I am all the way up. Bye, superstars.